Hi, I'm Mason. Today I'm gonna do a balloon experiment. I'm gonna use science to blow up a balloon. This experiment requires an adult's help. First, I'm gonna pour some water in the bottle. Next, my dad is gonna put it in the microwave for a minute. Then I'll put a balloon on top. The water turns into vapor. The vapor pushes air out of the bottle. When it cools, the vapor condenses. That makes a pressure difference. That pushes air into the bottle and pushes in the balloon. It expands in the bottle. Thanks for watching!
2 days later and it's still blown up. Do you think it'll ever deflate?
No. Join me next time!